This is a halo eye look. I love halo eye looks because it looks very natural depending on what colors you use, and it looks very elegant at the same time. So with no further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start by using a orange peachy color and blend that onto my crease. Then you want to drag that color down into the inner corners and the outer corners of your eye. If you feel that you need to add more product onto your eye, you can go ahead and do so. Next, you want to grab a brown color using a blending brush and do the same thing you've just done in the first step. The key to having a halo eye is blending. You need to blend, blend, blend. Next, you're going to create the halo part using either a concealer or a eyeshadow stick. Apply a shimmery or champagne color onto the lid, only halfway down the middle. Using a coppery golden color, you want to apply that on the areas that you've missed, basically the outer parts of the halo. Then you want to apply some eyeliner onto your waterline. Apply mascara. Don't forget to apply mascara on your bottom lashes as well. Grab your favorite false eyelashes, apply glue to it, and apply it to your eye. I usually apply it underneath instead of on top, but you guys can do it however way is easiest for you. Apply a little bit of eyeliner, don't make it too dramatic because the eyeshadow itself is already extremely dramatic, and basically you don't want to cover that up. After that, you're basically all done. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you ended up liking it, please do give it a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. To see more videos like this in the near future, please do subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Until my next video, stay safe, take care, goodbye.